pa, oh. Surot-surot na ito, eh. Alas 7 pa yung tibigbigat. Kami, Jay. Agpa-blood test.
We have this is money because this is money like this.
Ano daw? What is it? But this is my knee and the... Yan. Nagsapa pa ilaang. Ada yaw rin eh.
That's one in my
I-brown nga balay?
no.
Okay, open sesame. Bukod naklaka. Gap apa damanan nga gasawan. Salada derby man. Go to your seat, anak ko.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit.
Surut-surut. Sino ti surut? Yan na sa husurut. Ah.
Susap-sapa.
Susap-sapa.
Ubing, nakasapsapa, nagririing.
No, paniskwela ka bebaya.
Supay. Aguldag na kwa.
Parang ganyan din naman tayo nun. Mukhang uulan din. Kasi yan o. Garbis. Garbis.
Look at
Ayan
this.
guys. So habang nag-aantay kami kasi katabi lang ng ano, ng blood, pag-blood test sa itong breakfast place. Pakainin ko muna to. Mayroon silang sign na free ang ano, kids. Diba? Mag-join din sila lolo at lola niya after ano, after nila magpa-blood test kasi for sure kailangan nila ng pagkain. So ito pala yung ano, ang restaurant na to is ewan ko sa kung tutti frutti or like tutti frutti. Tutti frutti. I mean, kunikit man yun. Ayan. So, tutti frutti. From Monday to Friday, they have 20% off sa main dish nila. And Saturday is, meron sila, I mean, pag early birds lang ha, yung ano nila. So, yun ang nakalagay dun. And for Saturday, free ang kumain sa bata. First lang kasi yung order for one adult.
Look at this. Here, mommy.
Thank you. Ay, katakot ka naman. Ayan o. After niya mag-mix-mix. What should I do?
Drink, mom.
Okay, let me wipe the table first. Our food came already. I had their banana crepes with Nutella. And you wanna have... Amma! What amma? No, try the pancake. Come on. Ay. No? Ayan guys, napipilitan kami ngayon mag-car wash dahil, yan tignan nyo guys, uulan. Gusto mag-car wash. Pero di lang naman kami ang ano magka-car wash, pero din dito sa kabila. Tapos meron din sa may likod namin magka-car wash din. Siguro pare-parehas kami may mga anak na nagpumilit mag-car wash. So dito lang, simple ano lang, car wash. Okay, we're gonna go home now.
No.
Car wash is busy.
Yeah. See?
It's not busy.
It's not busy. Look, oh, there's a car inside. And see, it's red. That means like we cannot go inside. Let's go home now, okay?
No.
Why do you want to go for a car wash?
Because you want to go to car wash.
That's the only reason, even though it's going to rain. Ah.
It's car wash.
Oh, do you want to clean something? Yeah? What do you want to clean?
I want to clean our car.
Okay.
Nakatuturay na talaga, bossy.
Very, very bossy yan.
It's in my house.
Oh, you want to put that in car wash too?
You're a bossy
Oh.
king.
Na pinakabebayan.
Sige, mga matagitiduwa. Talpas kami kiniyonan.
Code. Intermediate code mo.
Okay, let's go. Enter slowly. Drive.
Ini ada makita mo no kwa. Daw hirok na.
There you go, Yona. Make sure your windows are closed. Pre-soak. Wow.
Ang init ng kape ko.
Yeah.
Nathan?
Dan.
Not yet.
Masjid kan.
Wow. Yan o. Happy ang bata.
Do do do
Nakapag-spend ng $16 para lang sa kanyang kaligayahan.
do 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 do.
Ayan guys, kahit na naulan, tuloy pa rin ang trabaho nila. Wow. They're very hardworking people of Canadian dollar. Grabe naman Canadian dollar. Alipin ng salapi, ganarns. Kailangan kasi mahal ang tax. Papabayad na naman sila ng tax. Grabe ka namang CRA na yan.
Agbayad akit din.
Ha?
Agbayad ak siya.
Manaw?
Ha?
Manaw?
Nasurok 300.
Apay?
Yak
Yan
man
ba? Ganyan sila eh.
Ganyan sila.
Kahit na from 2023, ganarns.
Sa
Diba?
ako, i-reassess dati ko from 2020 to 2025.
Sasabihin may utang ka. Ay,
Nagbabayad
naku.
ka na nga ng tax. Pagkatapos pag nag-file ka, magbabayad
Bayad
ka na naman ulit.
Grabe ka
Tax,
CRA.
sobrang tax.
Talagang magiging alipin tayo dito ng salapi. Kasi wala tayong choice.
Sobrang magbayad akit din.
And sabi ni Mame, nung nasa daan kami, meron daw isang part ng solar namin na natanggal. So, check din namin kung natanggal ba talaga. Pero active naman lahat ng ano. Tinignan ko sa may solar panel namin. Yan na, did you poop? Yeah. Okay, go. It's raining, told you. And it's dusty in here too. Made us do car wash. Lalong a-attach yung dust sa sakyan. May nadungaw dun, oh. Multo ba yarns? Multo ba yarns? Kakatakot naman yan, oy. Multo ba yan? Bastos. Oh, kabastusan ng lalaking yan, oh. Sinasabi ng nanay yun, oh. Magantiping ito, di ba? Ewan mo talaga, panel na ito. Ha? Event. Oh. Kalarky. Tutay papas na ba't sa oh. Oh, what color is that, Aiden?
What color is that?
What color?
That one? That one?
Gusto
Oh,
mong
what
bata.
color? What color? Oh,
Color.
Orange!
What color?
Oh, that one, that one. What color? Oh, ano, simod, manay.
Ayun ang tinatanong. Gusto ukusan lang daw siya. Ha?
Oh, ano naman ito ya.
Let's go now. Ari-ari.
No.
You are ari-ari.
No.
You want more?
Pati ka na.
Me too, I want more.
One more.
Nagkaraduti krakram sa mantan ni kaya
Ne.
kabalbalis ng nilulang yaw. Gawa kayo dito.
Ne. Yun na.
Alright. So, saan tayo dadaan?
Baba, don't pull my shirt, Bobby.
Don't pull Baba's shirt. Okay, let's go. Maybe at Robin's or here. Here.
No. No, in the other side.
Best better on the other side? Okay, punta kami. Drop off yung nanay ko. Pick upin si Carlita. Huh? What? Oh my gosh. Okay. Open sesame. Ayan. Ayan. So, drop off muna namin si Mother Aurelia before namin pick upin si Carlita sa kanilang bahay. Si Carla pala is, dati ko siyang katrabaho sa hotel. Tapos nag-quit siya nung December dahil sa papel niya. And it's been quite hard din sa mga papel ng mga Pilipino dito. Or hindi rin mga Pilipino, mga ibang lahi din. Mga student visa, mga ganon. Kasi naghigpit sila. So, no choice. Kailangan niya mag-quit to get a better job para makuha niya yung papel niya. Kasi may mga, hindi ko rin siya masyadong get, pero may mga points silang mga hinahabol. Ganun. So, ayun. Ayan. So, it's another beautiful day. Kung makikita nyo, they've been spraying water sa sa may ground. And they've been packing yung yung mga, what do you call that, my love? The sand. They've been packing it over there down the road. Magulo. Ayan, so nilalagay nila yung
Called
dyan.
crushed rock.
What do you call it?
Crushed rock.
Crushed
They
rock.
add the water to compact it so it
Yeah.
gets harder.
Kita nyo yan sa may gilid? Oh, they're compacting it. Thank you. They've been compacting it para tumigas. Ayan. Wala akong alam sa construction. Kaya sa bahawang si Astro magsasabi. What do you call it? Construction?
Huh?
What do you call that?
Compact.
Crushed rock.
Crush rock. But what do you call it when they're compacting it?
Oh, compacting it.
Crush rock.
Water and you don't compact it,
Yeah.
it's gonna be loose.
Yeah.
So when you add the thing, the whatever on top is gonna start settling, and it's gonna be no good anymore.
That's
And
right.
there's gonna be cracks everywhere.
That's right. Whatever he said. That's right.
It's like building a home. You gotta dig down to a surface that's undisturbed. So the ground is like hard.
Yeah.
So here they disturbed it. So now they have to make it hard again.
To make it
It's like a
undisturbed.
snowball. You pick up a snowball, you compact it with your hand, squeeze it tight. That's what they're doing. So it gets hard, and then they can do the
Yeah.
rest on top.
Who's that? Boy, sana.
How are you?
Who's that, Yona?
Hello.
Who's that?
Time no see.
Long
Oh,
time, eh?
so that's Carlala Unana. Si Carlala Unana. Hi. We're here, Kinjo. Smelling it. Yeah. Smelling it.
I fully serious.
But first he was smelling it, sniffing it. Yummy? So gusto niya. Yan ang ulam namin. Ang sarap. Ano? Yun na. Okay, so kakadrop off na namin kay Carla. Dito kami sa malapit sa bahay. Nag-aaya si Yona na mag ano. Oy, careful! Nag-aaya si Yona mag-playground saglit. Kaya for few minutes dito kami. Good job. Yeah, nice. Ako yung kinabahan.
I love this playground.
You love this playground? It's big. Go for a slide again. Okay, we just got home and ayan na siya, oh. Na-pack and pack and pack na.